I welcome to all on the course of Element of Mechanical Engineering. Today we are going to discuss about the hydraulic lift and types of hydraulic lift and working principle and application of the hydraulic lift. Let's start from the function of the hydraulic lift. The hydraulic lift is used for carrying the passenger or the goods from one floor to another floor in a multi-story building to raise the heavy object. Generally, now you observe this diagram. Here also you are using the hydraulic lift for lifting the car. This is also one of the application of the hydraulic lift. Then you come to the principle of the hydraulic lift. This hydraulic lift is based upon the Pascal's law. What is the Pascal's law? It is the principle in the fluid mechanics states that the pressure exerted anywhere in a confined incompressible fluid is transmitted equally in all the directions throughout the fluid such that pressure variation remains same. That means that the pressure exerted anywhere of the fluid. Now this is the confined fluid and this is the confined fluid, and the amount of pressure you are given here, same amount pressure will transmit everywhere in this system, and pressure variation is same throughout the system. So this is the Pascal's law the hydraulic lift follows. Let's come to the types of hydraulic lift. In the types of hydraulic lift, two types are there. One is direct acting hydraulic lift, another is suspended hydraulic lift. Let's come to the direct acting hydraulic lift. In the first you have to know the function of the direct acting hydraulic lift. So in this hydraulic lift construction is three major components is there. One is fixed cylinder, another is cage, and the sliding ram. The fixed cylinder, it is fixed with the wall of the floor, where it is sliding ram reciprocate when you supply the pressure. Now this is your fixed cylinder. This is your fixed cylinder, which one fixed with the wall. Then you are coming to the cage. It is fitted on the top of the sliding ram where load is placed, and this is the cage where here we can keep the load or the passenger here. Then the sliding ram, it is fitted in the fixed cylinder which reciprocate up and down when you applied the pressure. Now you observe this is your sliding ram which is moved up and down when you apply the pressure. Let's come to the working principle of this direct acting hydraulic lift. So it consists first the ram which is the sliding in the fixed cylinder. At the top of the sliding ram, a cage on which person or goods may be placed. Then when the liquid under pressure flows into the fixed cylinder, this liquid exerts a pressure or the force on the sliding ram, which moves vertically up and thus raise the cage to required height. we can raise up to ground floor or the first floor and second floor. Depend upon the fluid pressure you are giving. So the cage is moved in downward direction by removing the liquid from the fixed cylinder. It will move up when you supply the high pressure liquid, and accordingly high pressure liquid, the cage will move from ground floor to second floor. After that, removing the low pressure liquid, removing the liquid from the fixed cylinder, the cage will move towards the down. So this is about the direct. Then you are coming to the suspended hydraulic lift. In the suspended hydraulic, first you have to know the construction. So in the construction, it is modified from the direct acting hydraulic lift, which consists of cage is suspended from a wire rope as shown in the figure. Now you observe here cage is suspended by the wire rope. Here a jigger is consisting a fixed cylinder, a sliding ram and set of two pulleys block is provided at the foot of the hole of the cage. Here two pulleys here, and here another device you are using, the wire rope. It connects the cage to pulley and sliding ram. It is fitted to the fixed cylinder which reciprocate up and down when you apply the pressure. Then pulley are connected to the sliding ram and the fixed cylinder when pulley is fixed and other pulley is movable. Then hydraulic jigger, it consists of a moving ram which slides inside the fixed hydraulic cylinder. Then fixed cylinder, it is fixed with the wall of the floor where sliding ram reciprocate when you apply the pressure. Let's come to here. How it is working. Here you observe this is your sliding ram. This is your sliding ram and this is your fixed pulley and this is your movable pulley. And this is your wire rope where one end is fixed with the cage and cage is suspended by the wire rope. And other end of the rope here is fixed or tightened. Let's come to the working principle. When the high pressure liquid enter to this cylinder, then the sliding ram moves towards the left, and this is a moving pulley, so it will be moves towards to the left. When it will move towards the left, then this wire rope move downward. When this wire rope move downward, the cage will lift from ground floor to the first floor or the second floor. So it depends upon the pressure you are giving to this cylinder. So when the pressure release, then what will happen? This rope will be, this moving pulley move towards the right. When it moves towards the right, then this wire rope moves up. When it will be moves up, then this cage moves toward to the downward. Downward means the second floor and the ground floor. So this is the this type of suspended hydraulic lift generally you are using in the multi-building site. So this is about the suspended hydraulic lift. Let's come to the application of the hydraulic lift. The application of the hydraulic lift, generally you are using the wheelchair lift and the industrial hydraulic application and metal handling and the truck trailer. So in this video you are discussed about the hydraulic lift and types of hydraulic lift and construction and the direct acting hydraulic lift and suspended hydraulic lift. Thank you.